Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the U.S. state of Minnesota, but we assist customers from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. One of the services that our customers most frequently ask us to perform is the removal of the Google Account Lock security feature on an Android device, commonly referred to as the FRP lock for factory reset protection. Here with us today we have a Samsung Galaxy A71 smartphone, and this device does indeed have the Google Account Lock enabled because, as we can see here as we're going through the initial setup steps, we come to the screen that tells us that the device was factory reset, and to continue we have to either verify the previous security screen lock pin that was used, or if we tap on Use My Google Account instead, it pulls up the secondary option that tells us that we can also sign in with the previous Google account that was used on the device. So over the years, we've been contacted by tons of customers asking us for assistance with this specific issue on this exact model, usually either because they themselves accidentally got locked out of their own device and couldn't remember or recover their login information after having done a factory reset, or because they purchased the device used from a dishonest seller who turned out to be a scammer. So after the purchase, the buyer discovered the lock was on the device, and of course they weren't going to have the login for the previous account or anything like that, and in those cases the seller has usually long since disappeared, since again it is a scam. So we're making this video here to show any interested customers that we do offer a service to be able to get the lock removed from this model without having to have the previous login information. The procedure that we do is done directly to the device while it is plugged into a computer, and the great thing about this is that it's something that can be done for just about anyone, anywhere in the world. So you don't necessarily need to be located here in our local area in order for us to be able to do this for you. You would just need to have a decently powerful Windows PC along with a fast and stable internet connection, and we can remotely connect right to your computer through the internet to perform the exact same procedure that we just did here with this one. So before starting the video, we had already done 99% of the work necessary to remove the lock, just so that we can keep this as short as possible. We just left it in place right before the last step so that you could all see that the device was indeed locked, so that you know we can really do this and we're not trying to trick or scam anyone here. Now that the last step has been performed and the device has been restarted, we should be able to see that after it boots up to the lock screen here that normally shows the notifications, if we just go ahead and swipe that away, and wait for it to load. There we go. So we've got the home screen all loaded up, full access to all of the apps and settings and features, and this is just like a brand new device that never had the lock on there. While we're here, we're going to pop down into the settings just to show you and verify exactly what we are working with. So when we go down to About Phone, we can indeed see that we have a Galaxy A71 with 5G capability, and then that model number there, the SM-A716U, is the model number of this particular device here. So if you have an A71 that has the FRP lock enabled and need help getting it removed, we would love to assist you with that, so go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information will be found right down in the video description, and we'll also put a slide at the end of the video here that has all of that info there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out some of the other videos that we have here on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for thousands of models of mobile devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy at some point. Hitting that subscribe button while you're there will enable you to be notified of all of the new videos and services that we're constantly adding and putting up, just like we're doing here with this one. Y para todos ustedes hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes también nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and have a great rest of your day.